Hello everybody. Today we have a special beach episode today. We are going to be out of town. We're heading down to Florida. We're going to drink our own tropical drinks. So we're going to make a couple for you to enjoy this weekend. So our fabulous bartender is going to make 3 different cocktails for you, 3 beachy cocktails. So the first one we're going to start off with is Sex on the Beach.
My favorite.
All right, bartender, what do you need to have sex on the beach?
I like to start with some vodka, a little Tito's this time.
Oh.
1.5 ounces. Next ingredient, peach schnapps. We'll go with 1/2 ounce. Next ingredient.
Hurricane. It is Florida's natural. Where will we going? I'll be really disappointed if your drinks are better than their drinks.
That will be too. Cranberry juice. We'll do 2 ounces of that. Already did our entertainment for shaking.
Oh, that looks good.
And for our garnish, orange slice and cherry.
All right, so we are back with number 2. Number 2 is the Tequila Sunrise. So what's in the Tequila Sunrise?
Start out with my favorite tequila, which is
What a shock. Terramana tequila.
yum.
At least the rock's not hanging off of it today.
He's up there though.
Oh, he's busy.
1.5 ounces.
How'd you like your other drink?
It was good.
Is it beachy?
Yes,
Is it everything you're hoping for in Florida?
I hope so. Our next ingredient will be orange juice, and we'll go 4 ounces.
Oh, just enough room in your measuring cup.
And our final ingredient.
And guys, you gotta be careful in the summertime. You gotta put your grenadine away so the ants don't get it.
Yeah, that is true.
Feel like the ants go marching. I think we did something kind of like this for Easter for the kids. Just orange juice and grenadine, not alcohol. Not alcohol, but the kids love grenadine because it's so sugary.
Mm-hmm. So I only did 1/2 ounce.
Get it, shake. This is your last video before vacation. You gotta put some heart in it. So for our third drink of the night, it's called the Rum Runner. If you're a fan of rum and you like bananas, this is the one for you.
First ingredient will be banana rum. Makes you think of the beach. So we'll be doing 2 ounces of this. Our next ingredient will be blackberry brandy. Calls for 1 ounce of that.
So, you know, this is what you're supposed to do with blackberry brandy. Stuff like this. Not take shots of it like the college kids are doing.
Yeah.
So if you want to be cool and take it up a notch, kids, here's a drink for you.
Pretty tasty drink too. Next ingredient will be orange juice. We'll do about 2 ounces of that.
You want to need a small orange juice? You already know what that one smells like?
Yes. We'll do 2 ounces of pineapple juice.
Whew. Don't hurt yourself.
Our last ingredient will be 1 ounce of cranberry juice. Give it a good tropical shake.
Get some good music going for that. Or you'll lose the cap like you did the one time.
Oh yeah. Oh bad.
That was hilarious. Okay, moment of truth. Yeah.
It's downtown.
Really good. That's really good. All right, so you have 3 tropical drinks to get you through some of these cold weekends. So if you like what you see, hit like and subscribe, hit the bell so you can get alerts when we have new drinks coming your way. And thanks for hanging out with us and making some drinks. Cheers. Oh, no. Darn it. Babe, we're waiting for you. I knew that was coming. That's why I didn't do it right away. Are you itchy? Oh, no.
Hey, did we tell Aiden good night yet?
Yes, we did. Only like 5 times. Well, maybe you should go up and tell him again. For our 3rd drink, we're going to do the rum. Are you going to ask me where something is?
Babe! Hey, babe! Hey, babe!
Practicing how fast you can chug a drink on the beach?
I want to relax and enjoy it.